Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my podcast. सबसे पहले I would like to thank all the people who have actually given me lots of advice, जिन्होंने बातचीत की है, appreciation की है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है ना आपने बुरी भी लगी हैं वो भी बता दिया, अच्छी लगी हैं वो भी बता दी हैं. So everything is welcome. Do subscribe. मैं पहले किसी को नहीं कहती थी, अब मैं बहादुर हो गई और मैं कह रही हूँ कि डू सब्सक्राइब. एंड आज मेरे पास एक इतने मज़े की गेस्ट हैं जो मैं कहती हूँ बहुत एजुकेटेड हैं, मीडिया से हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अपनी ज़िंदगी में सीखा भी है, सिखाती भी हैं और ज़िंदगी के हर जो भी चीज़ वो लेती हैं उसको बहुत सीरियसली लेती हैं और उसको एंड तक पूरा करती हैं. तो मैं आपकी मुलाकात कराती हूँ इरम मसूद से, जो कि मीडिया की वेल नोन पर्सन है. शी ट्रैवल्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड आई वांट टू आस्क हर अबाउट her spiritual experiences and whatever she's learning and whatever is happening और जो कुछ वो younger generation के लिए कर रही हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum salam, Misbah. बहुत शुक्रिया for having me in your show. I know the light within sounds very, very inspiring. बहुत ही अच्छा है. And I saw एक दो आपकी episodes, couldn't see more. But yeah, spiritually, though, I think we are all somewhere connected to the space around us. कहते हैं ना कि कहीं ना कहीं you just connect. I've known you, I think, for more than 20 years or something. But I think this was the best connection we could come out.
Yes, and we've met so many times and we're meeting at different places. लेकिन एक जो होता है ना बैठ के, हमारा ये प्लेटफॉर्म ही यही है कि we want to know more about your thinking, your beliefs. And you know, मतलब जिंदगी में इंसान इतना कुछ गैदर करता है, हम सबकी अपनी अपनी जर्नी होती है. But I want to discuss your journey and how you took off and where you are, and we can take it from there.
वैसे तो I started with media. That's how my life is. So my blood group is M positive, not B positive. But that's how it has, you know. मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी कि media is something that gives you recognition, but it's also an obligation as well, big time, you know. आप कोई भी चीज़ आप अपने podcast के through भी वही message across करना चाहेंगी which you believe is right. So, you know, anything that we believe is right has to be there. We have to make sure that our belief is not something that we question ourselves into it.
Iram, don't you feel that, you know, you have to have the confidence to take that belief forward also? Because हम लोग, and especially where women are concerned, generally हम लोगों की बातों में इतने आ जाते हैं जो हमारा भी एक cultural वो भी है, and we listen to our fathers, our brothers, you know, whoever the thing है, and like हमें, I don't know about you, लेकिन हमें एक सिखाया गया होता है कि जी भाई से पूछ लो, brother-in-law से पूछ लो, उनको सबको ज़्यादा पता है. So somehow I feel women get lost. I don't know how you feel about that.
Well, when it comes to the men in my house, my father has always been an excellent listener. And I would say that for my brother as well. Obviously, ये होता है कि maybe, you know, their practical experience in some fields would be much better, like the financial side or, you know, looking at other perspectives globally. But I still had always the power to make my own decision, even if it was wrong. I always, you know, so I could not blame anyone for making a wrong decision, right? And फिर वो उम्र के साथ साथ ये होता है कि आप सीखना शुरू कर देते हैं. I like the when you said सीखती भी हैं, सिखाती भी हैं. But I think the day you stop learning is the day you stop living.
You just said the day you stop learning, the day you stop living.
Yeah.
मेरा भी बड़ा faith है कि सारी जिंदगी आप student बने रहो, and that is the only way you grow. So आपने जैसे आप स्टूडेंट्स को वहाँ पे लंदन में आप रहते हो, अब I believe आप you moved to Morocco.
Gee, I was in Morocco, good 3 years give and take, and that's where I connected so much into the Sufism side, especially a place like Fez. वहाँ तो जाके बस you get mesmerized, you know. Everything there reminds you, I mean, there's a place, शहर को basically Medina कहते हैं, and that's how it is.
अच्छा, really?
So in Fez, the Medina is like much older than people can, because that's when they say the Islam hub was created through Africa, is where Morocco comes in first. And इतने लोगों की वहाँ पर जो स्कॉलर्स हैं या दानिश हैं या सूफीज़ हैं, यू नो, मौला इस्माइल, मौला इदरीस, उनके, एंड देन शेख तिजानी, विच इज़ द अफ्रीकन, जिन्होंने पहली दफ़ा ही फॉट विद द फ्रेंच एंड द जूहिश. And the best part about this is there's no shirk and bidat there. So, you know, that's something that keeps you, that actually makes you believe there is something called Sufism. असर से वो लोग एक दुरूद शरीफ पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं. And if you're sitting in Sheikh Tijani's masjid, you can't go without crying or doing, because 8 people have one voice.
8 people have one voice.
Yeah, जब वो पढ़ते हैं ना तो एक ही आदमी की लगता है आवाज़ आ रही है.
Wow.
That's how they do the Durood Sharif ka wird from Asr to Maghrib every Friday.
Wow.
You can't see them. They sit across the jali because obviously aurtein hain. But that is something I had goosebumps the first time I went. And wahan koi paise nahi mangta hai. And if you give something to them, they will take it, but they don't appreciate that, you know. So it's not that कि यहाँ मज़ारों से निकलें तो पहले तो आपको you know
या तो
बचान
रमजान होता है तो सारे आपके पूरा पता नहीं वो इंटीरियर सिन से और अंदर इंटीरियर प्लेसेस
अभी
से सब आ
उर्स हो
जाते
रहा है
हैं.
तो वो सूफीज़म से ज़्यादा तो वो मुझे लग रहा है कि पॉलिटिकल उर्स है बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज्ड आउट देयर सो for 3 days we had no road to go to Dolmen or come back from there. I mean, just on the lighter note. But coming back to this, Sufism ka jo, the World Sufi Festival is always in Morocco, so it starts between the 3rd week of June. You should go, Misbah, you will love that. बहुत मज़ा आता है इतने कलाम होते हैं you know people and then now we have people from Lahore also coming in from there so you know वहाँ पर रागा बॉयज़ आते हैं जो you know पटियाला घराने से उनका ताल्लुक़ है इस तरह के लोग हैं जो आके पढ़ते हैं पाकिस्तान से ह्यूज कोक स्टूडियो के 2-3 हैं Zara and Babar Sheikh they've also come there and you know recited something or the other.
Tell me one thing, you know, like you move all over the world, you do media festivals भी और you know sort of, लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि वर्ल्ड मैप पे पाकिस्तान का इतना स्टैम्प नहीं है. We don't know about, like I'm listening to you, I'm finding out these things, but हमें क्यों हमारे पास ये एक प्रॉब्लम है कि we just don't have that. Like हम फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स भी करते हैं, हम went to Berlin, इधर उधर, वहाँ पे कोई पाकिस्तान की हालांकि इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कल्चर है, there is no presence.
I can't comment on that, you know, being PTV Prime's head for 9 years in a country that, you know, representing your own state channel and then working and launching 6 other channels, you know, Aaj se leke Hum TV ke sare drame. But wahi presence thi jo hum dikhana the. But you're right in a way. फिर जो प्रेजेंस आती है वो हमारी मीडिया उसको इतनी नेगेटिवली ले जाती है तो वो वैसे ही डूब जाता है यू नो दे से दैट यू कांट इवन आप जेटी से नहीं हटते कि जहाज़ डूब जाता है यू नो सो इट्स समथिंग वेरी सैड इन दैट वे मुझे तो अगर कह दे कोई कि यू नो आई वांट टू प्रमोट माय फिल्म आई थिंक आई विल गो आउट ऑफ माय वे टू डू दैट आई हैव डन दैट फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एक्चुअली इन लंडन एज वेल
Iram, I haven't made my film, but I want to promote my film.
Yeah, and if you cast me, then I'll promote it
Done hai, it's a
definitely.
deal. Chalo, let's shake hands on
Yes,
that.
let's shake on a 5. Yeah, we'll do that.
This was on a lighter note, so it's like,
and I think you know, as I grow old, I think I have come to the point that every field should be tried and tested because something or the other you'll always take back something.
and give back.
Oh, giving back though comes naturally to me. I run a social enterprise, Pine Global. It's been running there for 7 years. We don't take any money. We were supported by a very kind man, Mr. Usmani. He initiated this. And after that, you know, for the last 5 years, it's been running by the people. So for me, my assets are my people. I don't have lands and monies or anything. But the people around me are my biggest investments. So if you invest in people, you give a lot of other things to other people.
That is so true in life, and I think that is one of the things जो लोग realize नहीं करते, because जो investment आपके close लोगों में होते. But having said that, कोई ऐसी कोई बड़ी disappointment हुई हो that you have always believed कि, and then suddenly something happens that has connected you to a greater power, something in your life that has happened, which
So I think the connection between the power that we don't see and it's just there, that's the biggest faith you have. You know, this is the only religion which is not man-made, right? So how do we connect to it? It's something I can't discover. And I don't want to discover because it's beyond my knowledge कि मैं समझ सकूं कि वो कौन सी power है. But सुबह उठते हैं, so, you know, my biggest disappointment can be like, now is my health. That's the only biggest, because we foresee other things, but we ignore ourselves as well. So you know, that's the only regret I have right now.
ये औरतों का कोई खास चीज नहीं है, चाहे mothers हो चाहे women, we are always doing things for other people, लेकिन somehow अपना जो number है वो सबसे पीछे आता है.
Yeah.
तो ये चीज मतलब मुझे होता है कि somehow if we can just instill this in our women कि you know जैसे ऑक्सीजन मास्क आप सब पहले खुद लें, फिर आप दूसरों को दें. हम हर किसी को घर में पिनो के जब तक हमारा टाइम आता है तो ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो चुकी होती है.
या हम खत्म हो चुके होते हैं
या हम
होते आते हैं.
यस.
But I think वो आप जो I think that is also sometimes you just have to say no. So when I teach business, the first lesson I give my startups is learn to say no. If you don't want to do it, just say no. Walk away. Don't do it. You don't have to please other people. The only person you need to please is yourself. And this is my motto for the last 12 years. And I tell you, it's quite good. It's
Yeah.
worked well.
Yeah, I've just started, so I'm like,
No,
kind
I've been doing this for 12 years and I know where to say no. And nowadays, I usually say no more than I say yes.
But I'm very glad you said yes to coming here.
No,
I'm very appreciative of that.
I think, when you bring out people, I would take away so many things listening from you as well. But जैसे, the way I work with sometimes special women also, कभी वो उन इलाकों से बाहर नहीं आए. So we ran a program in 2021. It was called WEET. And it was women WEET. It was called Women in Education and Economic Training Sector. So it was sponsored by the Commonwealth. And we trained 263 women in that. And yeah,
That's
it
huge.
was a 6 weeks program. And हमने उसमें औरंगी टाउन जो थोड़े से रिमोट हमारे एरियाज हैं, स्पेसिफिकली उसकी एक रिक्वायरमेंट होती है जो आप एक प्रपोजल भर के भेजते हैं. तो मुझे एक औरत, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लूँगी बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, वो हमारे पास आई तो बहुत देर तक बुर्खा पहने हुई थी. हम कहने लगी कि मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा. कहेंगी और मेरे मियाँ कहते हैं मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ. तो मैंने कहा आप कितना कमाती हैं? तो कहती है मुझे तो मेरे मियाँ 30-40 हज़ार रुपये दे देते हैं. जितना पैसा आता है उसमें से 30. तो मैंने कहा आपने कभी सोचा है आपको कितना पैसा आता होगा? कह लेंगी जी मेरा बेटा कहता है आप आराम से 2 से 3 लाख रुपए कमाती हैं अम्मी, लेकिन अब्बा आपको 30-35 हज़ार रुपये देते हैं. तो मैंने कहा या आप मियाँ बदल दें, खाना पकाना छोड़ दें. एंड देन लाइक शी वाज ओ माय गॉड, ये इन्होंने क्या कह दिया. मैंने इसी तरह, और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि, और आज माशाल्लाह बिकॉज उनके मियाँ ने उनका कभी अकाउंट ही नहीं खुलाया था. सो फिर ऐसी औरतों को ना दे जस्ट नीड अ लिटिल पुश ऑफ गाइडेंस. ये नहीं कि कोई आप बस उनको ये बताएं कि दिस इज़ योर टैलेंट दैट शुड नॉट गो वेस्टेड, राइट. पाकिस्तान में स्पेशली व्हेन आई वर्क, सो आई वाज आल्सो बेस्ड इन बलूचिस्तान फॉर 3 months.
That was amazing when I was reading that. मैंने कहा वहाँ का क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ?
तो वो जो एक मैं आपको बताऊंगी, वहाँ एक जिक्री लोग होते हैं. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट देम?
No.
Okay, so they have no religion. And their eye colors are like you can see through. I'll share my article with you as well
Yes,
on
please
that.
do.
They're called zikris. Because
Zikris,
they do
as
zikr.
in Z-I.
Yeah, ZIKHR. So they do zikr.
Okay.
They do zikr and they believe that Mehdi alayhi salam is somewhere around. That's the
Okay.
only thing they know. और पत्थर लगे हुए होते हैं. I have a lot of photos as well.
Okay.
And वो आपसे बात नहीं करते. They call us namazis and they call themselves zikris, right? And they don't have any kabristan. They don't have any masjid. अभी जो सेंसस के मुताबिक उनकी पॉपुलेशन इज समवेयर बिटवीन विदिन 10,000. कम होगी, ये तो ये लोग ज़्यादा बताते हैं. और वो छोटे छोटे दरान, आई डोंट नो इफ यू बीन टू बलूचिस्तान.
No, I
आई
haven't.
हैव वर्कड इन 33 towns. It's the whole series that I have. I'll share the video also with you. एंड जब मैं उनसे मिली तो पहले तो मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहे थे बिकॉज उनको मुश्किल हो रहा था. एंड दे आर वेरी अंडर नरिश्ड. उनको 100 बीमारियां हैं वहाँ पर, बट and they have no religion and they just live their life, and the only thing they connect is they said कुछ हवा में है, कुछ समंदर में है. तो जो कोई मर जाता है जिक्रीज में, तो वहीं सामने जो दारान बीच है, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल बीचेस यू हैव इन बलूचिस्तान. बलूचिस्तान से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दुनिया में मैंने कोई जगह नहीं देखी.
Nobody knows about it. See,
तो
that's
आप
what
तो
I'm saying.
फिल्मों पे
Media.
कह रही है ना, यहाँ आप लोगों को ही देखें. सो जब मैं, एंड 2 of my younger colleagues बहुत डर रहे थे कि मिस इनके पास कोई गन होगी, ये मार देंगे, इनकी तो आंखें ही नहीं. बट आई मीन इनकी आंखों का ये नहीं, बिकॉज दे आर सो अंडर नरिश्ड कि उनकी आंखों में कोई वो लगता है कि बिनाई नहीं है, लाइक देयर इज नो विजन इन देयर आई बिकॉज यू कैन सी थ्रू देयर आईज. एंड उनकी औरतें, एंड वो लोग
I'm getting goosebumps by just listening to this, Sana.
I'll share the
my
videos
God.
and the. तो मैंने लिखा भी था, and it was printed in one of the online publications. लेकिन मैंने उनसे इतनी बातें कि I know they were hating me, but just for my own ज़मीन में उनके साथ बैठ के, और वो कहते हैं ये पत्थर, और वहाँ हर रंग का एक झंडा होता है. So each color represents a mood of their thing, and it's just unbelievable. I mean,
सो जिक्र जो आप कह रहे हो, जिक्र अगर वो करते हैं तो फिर वो क्या अल्लाह मियाँ का जिक्र नहीं होता, यूनिवर्स का,
They
लाइट
just do
का?
universe zikr actually.
यूनिवर्स, सो
Yeah. The
दैट इज द,
spiritual zikr they have, you know. And then
मतलब व्हाट डू दे डू? आई मीन आई एम जस्ट
they
आस्किंग.
just sit and talk and recite something which is
Okay.
not Quranic ayat, by the way.
Acha.
They have something in their own language.
Acha.
And majority of these areas you will find them after Guns and, you know, towards the Ran side, towards all the way to Jiwani. So, you know,
Okay.
Jiwani is obviously
Yeah.
the Iran and the border
Yeah.
across. तो वहाँ ये लोग होते हैं और ये लोग किसी से बात नहीं करते बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन टॉकिंग टू अस. एंड एक दो ऊँट होते हैं, एक वो उन्होंने वो पगड़े बांधे हुए होते हैं मुंह पे. Their women are so beautiful. You can see through their skin.
Being a media person, why haven't you covered this, or they were not allowed to cover it?
Well,
I mean, just
because
asking him.
I've covered it all on my
Yeah,
belief.
yeah.
And then obviously it was the Pindi Boys project, so we were not allowed to do anything else, you know. So
Okay.
yeah, Pindi Boys can't fight with the Karachi girls right now. So I
Okay,
thought that
so-
I would just stay out of
ठीक
it
है,
for the
fair
time
enough,
being.
fair
Yeah.
enough.
But
But you know, there's so
beautiful.
much knowledge. I mean, this is part of Pakistan. मैं यही कहती हूँ कि हमारे मुल्क में इतना कुछ है, हम सिर्फ वो बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें वो दिखाते हैं, बट दी एक्चुअल जो जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं और जो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, you know, we don't, nobody knows about these things, nobody's delved in.
So
I mean,
when you cross ये Gidani, उसके बाद there are 33 shrines.
okay.
हाँ, 33 छोटे छोटे मकबरे हैं, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं कि वो लोग कहते हैं कि यहाँ ये दफन है, यहाँ ये दफन है. पर यू नो लाइक देर ऑल बैरन, वहाँ कोई जाता नहीं है मिसबा, क्योंकि उनको कभी किसी ने कहा ही नहीं. एंड Baloch are very different. They are more spiritual people. Like when you go towards Princess of Hope, वहाँ से गुजरते
हाँ,
हैं
हाँ,
तो
मैं
लोग
गुजरी हूँ.
वहाँ भी खड़े रहते हैं. वहाँ भी लोग खड़े होके समझते हैं कि वो शायद उनको कुछ दे देंगी, you know. So these are the belief that people have.
So
The-
education hasn't reached the thing जो
and I
हमारी
don't-
जो हमारी
I don't
हमारी
think-
education
I
जो है.
don't think they want to even educate themselves because they're very happy in what they know. You know, sometimes what you know is more than enough for for the world to convince, right? बहुत ज़रूरी था. मैं तो इतनी इमोशनल हो गई थी कि मैं जब वापस उन लोगों से मिल के आई और बहुत से इलाकों में गई जो वहाँ एक पिशन एक जगह है. सो वो वहाँ दरख्त पे कॉटन उगती है जो होती है और वो लोग उसी में ही खुश हैं. आई मीन पीपल इन बलूचिस्तान लिटरली हैड नो कंप्लेन्स. कहते हैं ना, आप सब्र तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन शुक्र नहीं करते. दैट्स आवर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम दीज डेज.
सबर और शुक्र, वाओ, यस, एंड दैट इज वन. इतनी सिंपल चीज़ है लेकिन जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, सुबह उठ के भी पहली चीज़ आपको शुक्र करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
हर चीज़, लाइक वट एवर द वेस्ट इज ऑल्सो लर्निंग. आप कभी उनकी बातें सुनो तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली लगता है जो हमारे रिलीजन में जो हमारा है कि जब हम फजर की नमाज पढ़ के सबसे पहले शुक्र करते हैं, एंड यू नो द होल रिचुअल leads to you opening up your heart and opening up your soul and opening up, you know, to the light that is coming in. Basic तो यही. So each religion has this. Like दूसरी religions में भी यही है कि भी आप सुबह सवेरे make use of the early morning और शुक्र करो अल्लाह का उसमें. Just thank whoever, whatever you believe, your beliefs are, whatever, and that actually opens up another क्या कहते हैं, door in your life. मैंने भी बड़े मजे का इरम वो किया था कि यू नो, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती है ना कि आपकी जो आप पढ़ रहे होते हो कि फिजिकली आप जो भी करते हो, जैसे नमाज में करते हो, सो इट्स ऑल एक्सरसाइज, इट्स ऑल लाइक व्हाट दे टीच यू इन योगा, यू टच, ब्लड गोज इन द, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक वेरी, अल्लाह मियाँ ने सब, मेरे बिलीफ है अल्लाह मियाँ ने सब हमारे अंदर डाला हुआ है कि तुम लोग सीखो इसको और वो करो. सो आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग समबडी, आई वाज टेलिंग माय फ्रेंड कि नमाज पढ़ के अगर थोड़ा सा यूं करो ना तो ये लगता है कि जैसे कुछ खुल रहा है. एंड देन आई वाज रीडिंग ऑन द थिंग एंड दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड आई, एंड दे वर सेइंग कि ये जगह पे आप ऐसे करते हो सुबह या मूव करते हो. सो इट वाज लाइक कनेक्टेड. So tell me of more of your experiences. Like I was just reading about your thing कि आप senior citizens और youth के साथ उनको empower करने के लिए, help करने के लिए, you're also doing a lot of work.
With the senior citizens, when I retired in 2013.
You retired. You
Yes.
should never retire.
No, I wanted to leave the corporate world and all that stuff, and I wanted to do something for myself. So I started because London is famous for its library. So, you know, people who do not read, they can never lead. So, you know, I started working in the library as a volunteer. और वहाँ पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स आते थे तो उनको बुक्स पढ़ने की प्रॉब्लम होती थी. तो आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग फॉर देम, यू नो, अ पैराग्राफ. सो देयर वाज अ, आई थिंक
You're a very kind person. I'm just finding this
So
out.
I think if you're not kind, then you can't be a good Muslim as well. Because I think humanity comes by just being kind. I'm very strict. I can kill people by my kindness only. But then, that's how I want to remotely control myself as well. Yes, but I think that also comes from the way my parents are. As I give them a lot of credit for that. My
Are
mother
you the
is
only child?
no, no. Oh God, we are four. We are three
Mashallah.
siblings and a brother, like three sisters and a brother. So, mashallah, all. But I think my father has been running a mosque as a guardian in London for the last 15, 20 years. Fi sabilillah, he's 83 years old, mashallah.
Mashallah.
My mother is famous for not saying any in her 70 plus years. My mamu says that हम कभी इसकी पसंद से शादी नहीं करते because she never said कि कोई लड़की बुरी है. So you can understand,
Yeah, I
you,
get
you
it.
get
Yeah.
it. So I think
Yeah.
that's the value I've taken from my parents, and also like my the surroundings. Like we were always brought like cousins, behen bhai hain, khala mamus are very close to you. So that whole support system, and then the friends we had were always better people in giving us back something or the others.
I think it's basically your way of thinking. Because you see, I think लोग अच्छे बुरे नहीं होते. हम लोग जो जिस तरह उनको हम देखते हैं या उनको perceive करते हैं, तो if you focus on their good qualities, so they always end up generally, I think 80%, 90% of the time as good people.
But I think they're only good people or bad people. There's nothing in between. या लोग अच्छे होते हैं या बुरे होते हैं. There is nothing in between.
बुरे लोगों में भी तो कुछ अच्छाइयाँ होती
नहीं,
हैं.
कोई नहीं है.
कभी
बुरे बस
एकदम
बुरे
से
ही
कुछ
होते
वो
हैं. नहीं,
कुन
नहीं,
फया
नहीं.
कुन कुछ आ जाता है दिल में.
Yeah, kun fayakun is something to be, and then it
it
does,
happens.
But I think that's not something which that's the only part I think that जो लोग बुरे होते हैं वो हमेशा बुरे ही रहते हैं. Somehow or the other, the reflection is always there. Like, when I watched Michael, when he sings Man in the Mirror, it's actually right what he says.
I want to see that. I haven't seen it. I really
And
want to go see it.
there was also some way or the other when he says you're talking to the man in the mirror. So it is true. आपका ही अपना reflection होता है. आपकी जो बात है, that is I totally agree to it to an extent that बिल्कुल हमारे साथ ये होता है, like coming back to the point that you said.
Yeah.
So I used to read books only for them, and then the old people started getting friendly with me, and they always used to say, oh, when can we have some biryani and all that stuff. So that's how it started. But while doing this, there was a program by his mayor. We had Boris Johnson, उस वक्त सादिक नहीं थे. So there was a program that started Be Your Own Boss. So I had already left work, and I wanted to go back to education. So I joined this, and I got a fund of £3,000 way back 14 years almost. So it was a good amount in that way. And then they said you have to work with some young people, and that's since then I've been working. So I started teaching and training a lot of entrepreneurs free of charge. So in Pine, I don't take any money. I teach free of charge. We have already done more than 530 students free of charge. Yeah.
But when you teach people, like you've been talking about teaching women, teaching people, teaching younger, do you ever go back and find out their stories, whatever you've taught them?
They now,
Basically,
so
what
I
have
have
they
a community which has 1,800 people.
there? This
Yeah,
is what I
so
want to know.
I will not leave the people unless and until I always say कि जो अच्छे लोग होते हैं वो हमेशा जैसे मैंने कहा, but people who can't do anything for themselves वो दूसरों के लिए भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You are only doing this because you can help other people
Yeah.
as well, and that's my belief. कुछ लोग आते हैं, but like some people will never change no matter what you do for them because they don't want to change.
I'm an optimist, total, complete, जो होते हैं ना, die hard optimist. मुझे ये लगता है कि even those people, somehow something can always trigger their change in them. I just
Okay,
maybe that's hope.
That for a debate, that could be the cultural behavior they could change, but their personal behavior, I doubt very much that they will change because right now there are only two things that work for people: either you become spiritual or you become monetarial. So anything that is on that side works around that. So इतना जरूरी होता है कि like when I have survived in the last 24 years just on the belief that yes, anything I do will be rewarded, if not here, up there. So that's the only thing. And my only, or my biggest problem is that I don't expect anything from people.
इरा मुझे ये बताएं कि जैसे हमारे बचपन में ना, मैं हमेशा सबसे पूछती हूँ कि हमारे एजुकेशन में भी आप हो, सिखाते भी हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बचपन में हम इनकलकेट करते हैं बच्चों में, जिसका जिसका होता है जस्टिस. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ माई मेजर थिंग इज़ जस्टिस एंड काइंडनेस एंड गिविंग बैक एंड अनकंडीशनल लव. ये चीज़ें हम जो बच्चों में अगर हम इनकलकेट करते हैं तो वो फिर दे बिकम बेटर ह्यूमन बींग्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि दुनिया ऐसी जा रही है, उसमें इतना जुल्म हो रहा है, इतनी अनकाइंडनेस है कि आपका जो वो सेंस, वो जो आप अभी कह रहे थे ना कि या तो मटीरियलिज्म में आप होते हो या फिर आप स्पिरिचुअल हो जाते हो, बट बच्चों के अंदर अगर हम ये डालें, सो लाइक यू सिटिंग एट द लाइब्रेरी एंड टॉकिंग टू सीनियर पीपल, बच्चों में अगर हमारे बच्चों में किसी तरह इस तरह डाल सके तो डोंट यू थिंक इट विल ग्रो अप अ बेटर रेस, बेटर ह्यूमन बींग्स?
So now that's very debatable. You and I can sit and talk about it for hours and hours. I'll tell you, I had a very tough life when I got divorced, and my biggest regret was that मेरे बच्चे मेरे साथ नहीं थे. And how would I, bring them up and teach them? Was I could only cultivate what I had, like the kindness part. Both my kids are extremely kind. And sometimes I think that's the biggest thing they've taken from me. कि आप बस फ़ोन करके कह दें कि हमज़ा और ज़ैनब ये प्रॉब्लम है, they'll be the first one to come to your door without asking you कि मिसबा आंटी क्या चीज़ है या क्या नहीं है. But मैं उनसे कोई 12-13 साल दूर रही हूँ, बिल्कुल. And the only thing I could give away कि मैं ये जो काम अब करती हूँ, that is a giveaway to the community for being away from my kids. Obviously, there's a lot of blame for myself. Like I said, usually ये होता है कि divorce जब होती है कहते हैं या औरत की गलती है या entirely मियाँ. But I think दोनों की गलती होती है. And I've accepted that. और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से इसको accept किया था. And I think now that's the part that my kids have a lot of respect for both the parents separately. It took a lot of time, a lot of hate, like you said, bahut si baatein, and the worst part is that all this comes from the people you live with it. They are the first people to question you. So that's when you said you are kind. I think I worked on myself rather being positive. मेरा तो positiveness इतना है कि बाज़ दफ़ा मुझे खुद भी गुस्सा आ जाता है कि मुझे क्यों नहीं उस आदमी में कोई बुरी चीज़ नज़र आ रही. But I think the best part that I gave away for my generation and my kids was that be kind, learn to, accept your mistakes. The minute you do that, or sivai Allah ke, there's nobody going to be there for you.
True.
My son has worked very hard on himself. And the biggest takeaway I have from Hamza right now is that wo 5 waqt namaz padhta hai. I can't ask anything else from a child at this DNA.
How old is he?
He's going to be 30 this year, mashallah.
Mashallah, mashallah.
And Zainab is a very kind, sensitive girl. Usko ye hota hai ki obviously, when you're away from your mother, you might have been brainwashed several times, saying that, this is your mother's fault, she left you and all that stuff. But Sara wo cultivate hoke, Misbah, I've never portrayed that for my kids. I've not said, this is how the world it should be. No, this is not how the world should be. You cannot compromise on just a broken or a sad marriage just because of the kids. You can't do that. That's, killing it more. You die yourself, right? Like even away from them, I think I could be more closer to them in a lot of spiritual way. So, like my son would say, baal dye kare, ajeeb lag rahi hai. My daughter would say, why don't you get married? So I said, maybe I can. But this is how the support comes from. But also looking at the universities and the educational institutions that I go to, koi salam nahi karta teachers ko. Kids just pass by. They don't even acknowledge that you are there, हम तो आज भी अगर कोई टीचर या उस्ताद या कोई मेंटोर देख ले उठ जाते हैं. डर भी लगता है कि शायद आज भी डांट देंगे तो तुमने इतना बुरा पढ़ा था, so all these things, right? But I believe that it's also coming in from बहुत से माँ बाप. मैंने एक दफ़ा कहा था एक जिस
तरबियत जिसे कहते हैं,
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को सलाम, जब माँ बाप को बच्चे सलाम करता नहीं देखते वो भी नहीं करते.
True.
So like again reflection of who you are. is what you give. So like when you say that, oh, हमने तो अपने बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी, मैंने तो शायद अपने बच्चों को कुछ नहीं सिखाया. The only thing they could see was my reflection on everybody else. I think that's what they've taken away. The only thing they've seen is that how I treat people, and that's their reflection.
So, what message would you give to the women that are there around and that are going through similar, sort of circumstances? That what can they do to be respected, to be?
So I think जो लोग ये कहते हैं ना कि वो बहुत strong औरतें कभी strong नहीं होती. So there has to be a.
But अल्लाह में अभी तो 70% ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं.
Yeah, so
माँ.
yeah, so but then there has to be a line where you and I cannot understand. And like I said, it's better for us not to understand, because that's the ilm that we can never have, right? औरतों को सबर जहाँ है, but औरतों को ये भी होना चाहिए कि if they're making a decision, was that decision for the time, or what that is decision that they could sustain? At this age right now, I don't know if I look back 25 years back when I was divorced, कि मैं दोबारा would I ever think that, oh, I should have done that, because then I'm regretting it. I would not do that. I'm not regretting anything right now. Today, I have a lot of respect. People
You've achieved so much.
will
Alhamdulillah.
actually tell you, oh, if she's in the project, I'll invest with you. Right? That's how things come out.
That's
right?
excellent.
If I invite someone, they will say, Acha, Iram. So in London, I'm famous. Yaar, isko bulao, ye 50 log le aayegi. So, this is
Yes,
also like
that is
how,
the respect you've actually.
So I think, ya to aurat ro ke tarakki kar le ya so ke kar le, she only has two options. That's the simple philosophy. I say that, So I'm not sure how that works, but each relationship, each profession that a woman picks up, it's entirely upon her. So, like there are women who are very strong. Probably they didn't have a choice to do a lot of things, right? Like when we went to Sangar to do a women empowerment course, Misbah, there were women who were more talented than you and I, big time. We are nowhere near them. We are nowhere near. There was this girl, she was 26 years old when I asked her canvas भरने के लिए वो business. So हमने अपना business model point का सिंधी में भी translate किया था और उर्दू में भी. And Mehtab Apa, may God bless her for what she does.
Yes.
And
I
we
am a
stayed
big
in
fan.
and she used to call 25 women every day. वहाँ पर मैं जिन औरतों से मिली हूँ, मैंने एक दिन अकबर भाई से कहा, मुझे लगता है मैं तो बहुत जाहिल औरत हूँ. वाकई में वो तो औरतें मास्टर्स इन सिंधी लिटरेचर, मास्टर्स इन उर्दू लिटरेचर, एंड दे डू दैट टाका काम एंड ऑल दैट. पर व्हेन आई आस्क्ड देम कि मैं आपकी तस्वीर ले सकती हूँ, दे सेड नहीं, हमारे भाई मारेंगे. एग्जैक्टली दिस इज व्हाट दे सेड.
वो यही तो सारा चक्कर है कि वो जो बैलेंस लेके आना है जिंदगी में, और इसमें वो बैलेंस बहुत जरूरी है. रम एवरीथिंग लाइक द होल वर्ल्ड इज अ बैलेंस. जैसे हमारी रिलीजन में भी बैलेंस है, हर चीज में बैलेंस
है. बिल्कुल.
सो दिस इज द बैलेंस नीड्स टू
और
मूव
जो आप कह
फॉरवर्ड.
रही थी कि औरतें, सो लाइक अब उस औरत को मैंने कहा, तुम्हें इसलिए मारेंगे कि तुम्हारी तस्वीर फेसबुक या किसी अखबार में छपी. मैं कहीं नहीं छापूंगी, मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए खींच रही हूँ, मैं खींच सकती हूँ. एंड देन सडनली शी सेड खींच ले. So, she had that choice to make her decision there and then. And then after that evening when Mehtab Apa and we were all sitting and talking about it, she says, Iram, ye to yahan saalon saal se yahi chal raha hai. There's nothing changed out here. Whereas Balochistan's women were more progressive and more bold in terms of the women that I saw in Sindh.
Really?
Yeah, they were very bold. They were very bold.
बस वही है ना कि निकलने का, बस इस दुआ के साथ कि हमारे मुल्क में कुछ अच्छा हो जाए.
And I think you guys should all go and film something in Balochistan.
मैं यही कह रही हूँ कि मतलब इस तरह की चीजें, लेकिन वो चीजें आनी भी चाहिए जो हम दिखाना चाहते हैं.
कोई सिक्योरिटी का
नहीं है, हालांकि इतनी वो है, हंगामा है कि जी बलूचिस्तान जाओ तो मतलब एवरीथिंग इज सो, हर चीज को इतना डरा दिया है कि इंसान सोच में लग जाता है. बट मीटिंग पीपल लाइक यू,
मैं तो जब गई थी, I had 5 people on this World Bank project. They had, out of the 5 people, 2 girls were under 23. And their parents said, okay, you're going with Miss Iram, go.
Great.
Yeah, and this is how it is. So like, maybe that was the space that we all wanted to see. Maybe Surah Rahman was something that I could memorize, seeing everything that was in Balochistan, from the land to the sea to the sky, to the greenery, the pink sunset at Giovanni. So
His presence is everywhere.
so this is there. So how can you like people? Sabse Qareeb hospital is like 4 or 5 hours, but people have no regrets. No regrets.
Faith takes you everywhere ना.
Faith
आपका faith
takes
इतना
you
strong होता है कि
That's so
वो
right
कहते हैं
to
ना
say.
कि आपके बॉडी के सेल्स भी जो हैं उनको भी आप मतलब पानी का आप कुछ बीमारी के लिए बस पानी का ग्लास रखो, उस पे अल्लाह का नाम पढ़ो, एंड व्हेन यू ड्रिंकिंग द वाटर, आई बिलीव इन दिस, व्हेन यू ड्रिंकिंग द वाटर यू जस्ट send it to every cell in your body.
Yeah.
And wherever there is disease, you send the thing, और अल्लाह के नाम में इतनी शिफा है कि आपकी सोच है. So वही, that is the prayer, that
So
is the
maybe
faith system.
I have a question for you. So I've seen you working so hard all through and through, and then maybe people in your, because like when I was with PTV, when I was with Geo, I've seen you ever since, from producing, from acting to becoming a creator, producer, director. You've worked hard, but if you sit right now, what is one thing that you've taken away after doing all this?
To me, it's like you said, it's a learning process. I feel I live each day. To me, my like you said, my biggest thing that I love is my children. मेरे लिए वो माँ का जो एक वो है ना, वो मुझे, like to me, my Allah is also my ma. So when I go through all these things, I just enjoy the process.
Yeah.
And I don't do it for money. I mean, मेरे साथ के लोगों के बड़ी-बड़ी गाड़ियाँ हैं, बड़े-बड़े घर हैं. मेरे पास वही छोटी सी गाड़ी है, कुछ वो नहीं. I have not made money. Like I told you, I don't know how to make money. I have enjoyed the process, and I feel I've been blessed to be given so much and to have all these experiences, from acting to everything. And even now, sitting here today talking to you, to me it's amazing. Like when I meet you, and I'm not just saying it because I see another human being who has achieved so much more. So आप अपने आप को एक ज़र्रा समझते हो ना कि छोटा सा है, because आप सीख रहे होते हो throughout. So I love it. I'm just so blessed to have gone through everything. And when I'm ऊपर जाएंगे, तब इंशाल्लाह ताला हमारा Allah may should be happy with us.
Sometimes my own, the people, the family would question, oh, you don't even have a house. But probably I never needed it. Maybe that's why it's never there. That's why I travel like 6 places in a year, and I remember just on a lighter note, like a मजाक की तरह, जब मैं ब्रुनाई जा रही थी तो मैंने अपने दर्जी से कहा मुझे एक अच्छा सा शलवार कमीज बना दो, मैं ब्रुनाई जा रही हूँ. कहते वो बांग्लादेश के अंदर है. So like you can understand that people don't even go to Brunei, right? So when I went, this is the first thing I told my colleagues there, that आप पाकिस्तान को कह रही, लोग ब्रुनाई को नहीं जानते, and this is how it is. And this is, in the last 4 years, I've been to like 33 places.
Wow, so, that's my dream. I love traveling.
I cannot ask for anything else. And like जैसे आप अपने बच्चों, so for मेरे लिए जो वो gap था अपने बच्चों से, और अभी भी मुझे मेरा पाकिस्तान आना, obviously, I have my brother here, obviously he lives here, his children are very close to me, but then my kids are my biggest, so Pakistan will always be my home where I can always come back to.
And I hope it's a beautiful home, and I hope it's a just home, and I hope everything.
कहीं भी आप घूम के आ जाएं, this is the place you want to be.
बिल्कुल, आपका मुल्क है. That's why I'm saying it should be. अपना मुल्क भी लगे, अपना मुल्क में आप
whenever you want to go to Balochistan, let me know. I'll have the whole.
My dream is to travel. That's all I do. एक सेकंड लगता है मुझे. My son is studying in Barcelona. तो because he's studying there, so I was able to go to Europe and see all these places. This is not so much for this. I'm just saying that to me, anything for traveling, that is my complete dream. I love it.
In Balochistan, we have all the tribal people who have become my friends. सब आप लोग चलें बस.
चले अब हम बलोचिस्तान जाएंगे, और वहाँ देखेंगे कि सबसे जो इरम ने हमें सारी बातें बताई हैं वो हम इंशाल्लाह वहाँ पूरी करेंगे, और आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला. Iram, it was a pleasure talking to you. I loved it, and I think made a new friend.
You definitely did. We all made so many friends sitting out here. So वो सबसे connect होना था.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me. शुक्रिया मिसबा.
बस खुश रहो.
आप भी खुश रहे.
इंशाल्लाह.
Thank you.
Thank you.